In front of me is Motorola Signature, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section called Security and Privacy. Now scroll again, this time to tap on Device Unlock, and when you're ready, select Screen Lock. Now it's time to tap on one of those locking methods: swipe, pattern, PIN, or password. Personally, I never recommend swipe because it doesn't give you any security whatsoever. Just this animation, this one. So I would recommend to go with one of those. After you decided, create your locking method. And if you made a mistake, don't worry, just tap on Clear at the bottom left corner and input it correctly. When you're done, hit Next at the bottom right corner and repeat your locking method to confirm it. Then tap on Confirm. Hit Done at the bottom. And over here, apply one of those options by clicking on the best one for you. This way you can manage your lock screen notifications. What do you want your lock screen to show? Show all notifications on lock screen? Show sensitive content only when unlocked? Or don't show notifications at all? Whatever you decided, when you finished, tap on Done. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!